GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi students, in the previous video we have covered the topics large numbers in practice and try these. In this video let us cover example problems from 1 to 4. Now let us see example number 1. Population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. In the year 2001, it was found to be increased by 72,958. What was the population of the city in 2001? Let us find out. See, first the given data is the population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. And in the year 2001, it was found to be increased by 72,958. Right? So the population in 2001 was increased by 72,958. So we need to find what was the population of the city in 2001. That is, we need to find the population in 2001 of the city. So in order to find out, we need to add the population of Sundarnagar in 1991 and which is increased in 2001. So, the population in the city in 2001 is equal to population in 1991 plus increased by, that is increased population in 2001. So, in order to find out the population of the city in 2001, we need to add population in 1991 plus increased population in 2001. That is, the population in 1991 is 2,35,471 plus, and the increased population is 72,958. So, 72,958. Right? So, we need to write the number from the right side. So, if we write like this, we get 72,958 under this number. Now, 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. Write 1 here and 2 here. Now, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So, write 1 here and 4 here. Now, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Write 8 here. Now, 7 plus 3, 10. Write the 1 here and 0 here. Now, you have 2 plus 1, 3. So, the total population in the city in 2001 is 3,08,429. Let us write the population of the city in the year 2001 was 3,08,429. Now, let us see example number 2. In one state, the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003 was 7,43,000. In the year 2003 to 2004, the number of bicycles sold was 8,100,000. In which year were more bicycles sold and how many more? Right? We need to find out in which year were more bicycles sold and how many more. See, let us write the given data first. In one state, the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003 was 7,43,000. So, in one state, the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003 was 7,43,000. Now, in the year 2003 to 2004, the number of bicycles sold was 8,100,000. Now, see, the question is in which year were more bicycles sold? See, by comparing the number of bicycles itself, we can say that 8,100,000 is greater than 7,43,000. So, in the year 2003 to 2004, the number of bicycles sold were more. Let us write, therefore, in the year 2003 to 2004, the number of bicycles sold were more, that is 8,100,000. Right? Now we need to find and how many more, means how many more than the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003. So in order to find out how many more, we need to subtract the number of bicycles in the year 2002 to 2003 from the number of bicycles sold in the year 2003 to 2004. That is, we need to write 8,100,000 minus 7,43,000. if you see 0 minus 0, 0, again 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, put a comma, we have a comma. Now we have 0 minus 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 0. So now let us borrow. 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7 and 9 minus 4 is 5 and 8 minus 7 gives you 1. So see how many more means 1,57,100 bicycles were sold more than the year 2002 to 2003. So let us write 1,57,100 bicycles were sold more than the number of bicycles in the year 2002 to 2003. Now 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1 and here we have 0 minus 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 0. So let us borrow. See, to borrow, here also we have a 0. So we cannot borrow. Again we will go. Here we have 8. We can borrow from 8. 8 becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. 10 becomes 9. And now this 0 becomes 10. Right? So this is the way you need to borrow when two zeros are there. So now we have 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7. And 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5. Comma. 7 minus 7 is nothing but 0. So we have 0 in lakh place. We should leave it. Just you see that 57,100 more bicycles were sold. So let us write 57,100 bicycles were sold more than the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003. Right? So 57,100 bicycles were sold more than the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003. Now let us see example number 3. The town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. How many total pages are printed every day? Right? See, the town newspaper is published every day. So, one copy has 12 pages. Right? One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. Now we need to find out how many total pages are printed every day. See, first let us write the given data that one copy has 12 pages and every day 11,980 copies are printed. So, see, one copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. So, for these 11,980 copies, how many pages are printed? We need to find out. See, 11,980 into 12 pages, right? Each copy has 12 pages. So, for 11,980, we need to multiply 12 to get the total number of pages in the 11,980 copies. So, we need to multiply these two numbers, 11,980 into 12. So, now let us multiply. 2 into 0, 0. 2 8s are 16. Write 1 here and 6 here. Now 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. So write 1 here and 9 here. Now 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 1s are 2. Right? We multiplied the whole number with 2. Now let us multiply with 1. Put an into mark here. Now 1 zeros are 0, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. Now we need to add these two numbers. 0. Let us write 0 directly. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 8, 17. So, write the 1 here and 7 here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So, write the 1 here and 3 here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Write the 4 here. Now, we have only 1. Let us write 1. So, see. Now, the 11,980 copies will have the total number of pages, that is 1,43,760 pages. Let us write. So, the 11,980 copies will have 1,43,760 pages in all. Right? So, the 11,980 copies will have 1,43,760 pages in all. Now, let us see example number 4. The number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks is 75,000. Each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook. Each notebook contains 200 pages. How many notebooks can be made from the paper available? See, it is given that the number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks is 75,000. Each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook, right? Total number of sheets are 75,000 and each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook. So, each notebook contains 200 pages. We need to find out how many notebooks can be made from the paper available. First, let us write the given data, that is the number of sheets available for making notebooks is 75,000. Right? So each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook. Now see, first let us solve up to here. See, the number of sheets available for making notebooks is 75,000. Each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook. See, if we multiply 75,000 into 8 pages, we get the total number of available pages for making notebooks, right? Total 75,000 sheets and each sheet makes 8 pages. So if we multiply these two, we can get the total number of available sheets for making notebooks. So let us multiply 75,000 into 8. So now 8 into 0, 0, 8 into 0, 0, 8 into 0, 0, comma, 8 5s are 40. Write the 4 here and 0 here. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4, 60. Now see, 6 lakh sheets are available for making notebooks. 6 lakh pages are available for making notebooks. Let us write 6 lakh pages. See, as we have written 75,000 into 8 pages, we will get the total number of pages, that is 6 lakh pages are available for making notebooks. Right? Now see, the next data is each notebook contains 200 pages. Right? We have the total number of pages as 6 lakh, but each notebook contains 200 pages. We need to find out how many notebooks can be made from the papers available. That is, how many notebooks can be made from the total 6 lakh pages. So, see, each notebook contains 200 pages. Now, if we divide 200 with 6 lakh, we will get the total number of notebooks made from the available pages. See, 6 lakh divided by 200 notebooks. Right? So, the total number of available pages are 6 lakh. Per notebook, only 200 pages are required. So, if we divide, we get the number of notebooks which are made from the available number of pages. So, 200, 6 lakh. Now, directly 200 into 3000. See, 2 threes are 6 and we have 2, here 3. Total number of 5 zeros. Here also we have 5 zeros. Right? See again, 2 threes are 6. Now here we have 2 zeros and here 3. So total 5. Here also we have 5 zeros. So 200 into 3000 gives you 6 lakh. 6 lakh minus 6 lakh? 0. So the total number of notebooks are 3000, which can be made from the 6 lakh pages. Right? Therefore, how many notebooks can be made from the paper available? That is 3000 notebooks can be made from the paper available. So, 3000 notebooks can be made from the paper available. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. You are welcome to contact us on Telegram to clarify your doubts regarding these topics. Check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.